This is Dennis Duran Live, and I'm gonna. My wife bought me this pen for in case that some year I forget my fishing license, and I'm catching some whoppers, and the game and fish comes on me. I'm gonna show you this pen. So step one, take the pen out, pull it out. So voila. So now I'm gonna put my. If you're wondering, wow, well, here's my reel. This is my reel, folks. This is my reel. Yes, it's real. So I gently pull it up and get it into the slot. So then I have this. Now I gotta adjust it, put my slot in, tighten it up, tighten this up right here, and voila. Oops, malfunction, folks. But like I say, I'm getting this real, and it's a real rod, folks. So now I do that, gentle, come over here, find the lip, push it down, make sure it's in there because I messed up a while ago. So yeah, I'm tightening it up now. So it's tight. Now, voila. For people that cannot get licensed, this is the deal. Put it away the same way. Reel it, move it, push it out, take it out. So there we go. Any issues here? Something. Okay. Anyways, there it is. The no license rod. Thank you very much.